What's up, Millie Mafia? It's your girl K Millie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Today is a hair video. As you can see, I got my ball cap going, and I'm about to install a light neon peachy pinky bob today. And I'm using the Glueless method with the freeze spray. And you guys are gonna see how I do this from start to end. And I'm doing bangs today, y'all. Could y'all believe it? I am hiding this big ass forehead, honey. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna start off by using some makeup to blend my cap into my skin complexion. And you guys, please do not be trifling. I know my cap is crooked, okay? I can see. Don't ride me in the comments, okay? Now let's get back into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend my cap. Make sure my cap is blended because you don't wanna see the cap through the lace when you put your wig down. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some makeup to my lace as well to better blend the lace when I put it down with the Got To Be Free spray. It's a transparent lace, so I have to add makeup or some type of lace tint to it. So I'm just trying the wig on now to see how I want it placed. And I'm going to make sure I put the back clips up to make sure it has a tighter fit around my head since I am going to be wearing this Glueless. So now I'm adding makeup to the front of the lace just to get a even better blend. I want it to look like it's coming out of my scalp. So yeah. So now I'm about to cut off my ear tabs. I'm used to installing wigs, so I can already eyeball like where to cut. And I'm using a razor comb. I would recommend using scissors, but if you have a sharp razor comb, you can go ahead and use that. Mine was pretty dull, but at the time I just could not find the scissors, and I was just not about to look for one. So yeah. Then I'm just about to take my Got To Be Free spray and literally just spray it into the lace and blow dry. And I do mine in like 3 sections. I do side, middle, and then the other side. And literally just spray a couple sprays and blow dry it on warm to cool air. And boom, you'll feel it start drying. And as it dries, it'll become like basically melted into your scalp. After I basically use the Got To Be Free spray to melt all 3 sections in, I'm going to go ahead and use my razor comb and cut off the excess lace in the front. And most times or sometimes you'll see like a little shadow because of the lace not being melted properly or melted enough, you can just go ahead and spray some more got to be free sprays and use your blow dryer on cool and use your comb to better melt the edges down so you won't have any lifting. Now I'm going to use some makeup that's my color on the very front of the lace just to make it like disappear basically and make it the exact color as my skin tone. So now we're getting to the good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and bust my hair down the middle because the look that I'm really going for is the look that Arrogant Tay did on his best friend Ari. She had basically like a short blunt with a Chinese full bang, but it wasn't full at all. It was like a natural bang and I was in love. So I decided to recreate this look in this color. So I'm gonna start off with parting my hair down the middle and then I'm gonna hot comb it flat and then go from there. Before I go any further, I'm going to go ahead and define my part with some makeup. That's my color. And then I'm going to comb the hair to the front and use basically razor combs to create the Chinese bang that I want. So basically I'm just flat ironing my bob a little bit so I can see like where it's gonna fall at in my face, because at the same time I don't want it too short but I don't want it to be cut too long either. So now I'm about to start cutting my bob. I want it really short and blunt all around. So that's really what I'm going for. Just like a choppy, you know, messy kind of look.